What weight of AgCl will be precipitated when a solution of 4.77 gram NaCl is added to a solution of 5.77 gram of AgNO3? So now we have to understand which chemical reaction the problem is talking about. This is about a precipitation kind of reaction with NaCl and AgNO3. So we have written here the chemical reaction of AgNO3 and NaCl, which is producing AgCl as a precipitate and NaNO3. Now we have to calculate the molar masses of the reagents and the precipitate. Okay, so 108 for silver, 14 for nitrogen, 3 into 16 for oxygen. So a total of 170 grams. And NaCl is 23 plus 35.5, that means 58.5. And for the precipitate AgCl, this is 108 plus 35.5, so a total of 143.5 grams. So the molar masses of the reagents and the precipitate is known to us. So in the reaction, 4.77 grams of NaCl is added. So 4.77 gram NaCl means how many moles we have determined over here. So this is equals to 4.77 divided by its molar mass. Okay, so this is equals to 0.081 moles. And similarly, we have calculated the molar mass of number of moles of AgNO3 by dividing the amount of AgNO3 in the solution. So 5.77 divided by 170 moles, which is equals to 0.0339 moles. Okay, so now in the reaction we can see that 1 mole of AgNO3 is reacting with 1 mole of NaCl to produce 1 mole of AgCl. Okay, so after counting the number of moles, we can get that the limiting reagent is AgNO3. Okay, so we are writing that limiting reagent is AgNO3. So the limiting reagent, what is that? Limiting reagent in a chemical reaction is a substance that is totally consumed when a chemical reaction is completed. The amount of product is formed, which is formed is limited by the reagent, since the reaction cannot be conducted without this reagent. So this is the limiting reagent. So if we calculate the number of moles, the reagent which will be present in small number of moles, that will be the limiting reagent. Okay, so as 1 mole AgNO3 produces 1 mole AgCl, so we can say that 0.0339 mole AgNO3 produces 0.0339 mole AgCl, isn't it? So weight of 0.0339 mole AgCl is equals to 0.0339 into molar mass of AgCl. What is that? 143.5 gram. So this is equals to 4.87 gram AgCl.